Hello student, today I am introduced in front of you a new chapter, Rosa Parks Sat Still. Rosa Parks, a woman name, okay, a lady named Rosa Parks, what she did, sat still. It was a story about that means what is a discrimination. You know discrimination? It was a story of discrimination, that means racial discrimination, that means man divided by color. You know, there's a white people are there, means black people are there. Sit there in around the world, we can see different types of people are here on the base of skin, their color. The man are divided. So it was the incident happened in Europe, that was especially in America. I think so. That is one of the women, strong woman, black lady called Rosa Parks. That's the name of a woman. That means Rosa Parks. Okay. Okay, I told it was a story about a racial discrimination. Racial discrimination. That means man divided on the basis of color. Okay. The biggest success often result from the most difficult battles. Yeah. Let's read the story of Rosa Parks, whose life was battle of justice. That means Rosa Parks fought for equality, but at that time there existed racial discrimination. The man's divided on the basis of color, skin color. Okay, so Rosa Parks fought very heavily for justice. This was that story revealed by here. So before that, we want to know about Rosa Parks. Okay, that's Rosa Parks was born in 1913. Okay, and was died in 2005. Was still an African American civil rights activist. Yes, whom the United States Congress called the First Lady of Civil Rights. Oh, she deserved a new title. What was the title? The First Lady of Civil Rights. Okay, she was, I think, she was fought his heroic battle in America. Okay, and the mother. That was also another title of the freedom movement. Okay, her birthday February 4th, and the day she was arrested, December 1, both became Rosa Parks Day, commemorate in both California and Ohio. Ohio and California, two states in America. Okay, so you must know that it was the incident happened in real life of Rosa Parks. She was lived at that time in America. Okay, our title is the Rosa Parks Sat Still. That is the Rosa Parks incident. Here, Rosa Parks is a American woman. We can understood what was happened through this. Let us see that paragraph is there. What she fought very heavily against racial discrimination, or a CIL, racial discrimination, right? So what is racial discrimination? You must know that man divided by, or the people divided by on the basis of their skin color. Okay, that means very bad practice existed in all over the world once upon a time, right? On December 1955, Rosa Parks refused to move. At this transformed a million's lives. Rosa Parks had been working all day. Work had been heavier than usual. Okay, she was a woman who worked in the office. At the end of the day, what happened? There was only one thought in her mind. She wanted to sit down. So because of heavy work, maybe standing work is there. That's why she couldn't sit. So she too much tired after heavy work. She wanted to sit. That is a stat still. That was Rosa Parks sat still our title. See there? Because of the hard work of his office, he couldn't sit, and she was tired. So she wanted to sit. What happened? She wanted to sit down, but it was getting late, and everybody was going home. Okay, that was the situation in the office. It's too much hard work in the office. That's why she couldn't sit. She wanted to sit, but it's not possible. Okay, what happened next? See next paragraph. Rosa walked to the bus stop and got one bus. So in the bus stop, you got one bus. There was many vacant seat. Vacant means empty seat. There was too much people are not there. Very few people. So too much seats are vacant, empty. She paid her fare. Fare means taken the ticket and sat down the nearest seat. Okay, he got a seat. That's why he sat there. After he taken the ticket, bus is now moving. Bus was nearly empty. Rosa felt grateful. Her feet were very tired. They really needed to rest. That means her legs is too much pain. That's why she want to lean his leg and make some kinds of comfort. That was, however, something only Rosa knew. The driver of the bus knew nothing about her feet. He did not even know her name, but he saw that she was not white. Yes, this is a problem existed in America at that time. That means the bus, only the white people can sit. No black people can sit in the bus. So driver is noticed that one. I think Rosa Parks is a black woman. So she was a black passenger, and that he thought was all he needed to know about her. But he was making a mistake. It was a mistake that cost his company a lot of money. Okay, here the bus is moving. He wanted to take a rest. He sit and he is leaning his legs on other seat. But this is not liked by the bus driver because of the law. The bus is only sit by white people. No black people can sit. Our story begins in America in a town called Montgomery. Sorry. Montgomery is a place in America. The situation is happened. Where is in America situation happen? Montgomery. It was a place the things are happen connected to Rosa Parks. There was a wide racial discrimination. So let us see what was happened there. See the picture of bus. Yes, that means duty officers also checking the people whether the people are white or black. See that. Rosa was an ordinary woman with a job in a dressmaker's shop. What was her job? She was working in a dressmaker's shop. That means stitching and other things. The day was an ordinary working day. It was the first day on December in the year 1955, December 1st. That was the things happened. Rosa had a loving family. She envied nobody. Nobody was against. All are like Rosa Parks. Envy means asuya. She envied nobody. Nobody has envied her. Her manners was mild. That means very soft woman, very good manners. She speaks in quiet, yes, not soft voice, very soft, but we can call her. She was a very gentle woman. That means very good woman. She always obeyed the laws of the country and broke no rules. She always followed the rules and regulations of the country at that time, right? In short, we can say that the character sketch of Rosa, we can understand this paragraph. That means she was a loving family. She envied nobody. Her manners was mild. Means very good. She spoken very quiet, soft voice. She always obeyed the laws of this country, and broke no rules. Yes, very good woman. Totally, we can say that. Okay, but in those days, not all laws and the rules were fair. Yes, at that time the rules are not good because some rules are favored for white people only. The day when Rosa sat in that seat on that bus, she had not thought of breaking any rules. He never thought of that when she was sat in that bus seat, because she obeyed all rules and regulations, but she was too tired. That's why she sat on the bus seat. It happened before the bus started. What happened? When the warning bell rang, that means bus bell. Bus bell rang, was going time, tuck, tuck, tin, tin, the bus that bus stopping and bus going, that cleaner has to put in our country, put in the bell. Here is a warning bell. Passengers rushed in. At that time, before that, bus is not full of people. Now bus is completely people. That means people are rushed to many. Of them were white Americans. Okay, white people are came inside the bus. Each time the white passengers climbed into the bus, a black passengers got up from a seat and moved away. Yes, this is a practice. The law is that the bus is occupied only for a sitting, occupied only for the seat people, only white, not black people can't sit in that bus. But our Rosa Parks sat in the bus chair. So what happened? The rule was simple and clear. Black passengers had to give up means avoid their seats when white passengers came in. Okay, black people can sit, but white people come time. I mean, when the white people are came, will come. What happened? Should be avoid the seat. They had to what? They had to get off the bus and go around to the back door. They could then get on the bus again as standing passengers. Oh, that was the situation. What was the law? If the white people will come, what happened? The seat will be avoided by the black people and want to go on the back side of the bus. That was the rule. That day, all the sitting black passengers gave up their seats except Rosa. Oh, right. Too much black passengers also sitting there, sitting on the bus. If the white people are coming, most of the black passengers has avoided the seat and gave to white people. But Rosa didn't give her seat to white man. She did not seem to be notice what was happening. A white passenger stood at the door and looked at her. Still, she did not move. She sat still. So there comes a racial discrimination. Only white people can only sit in that bus. If the white people will come, black passengers will be avoid the seats, and it gave to white man. So that was the situation. But our Rosa Parks never give such kinds of seat to the white man. So it became problem. Okay. It was a time for the bus to leave. Bus is still not move. But how could the driver start? A white passenger was standing at the door and a black passenger was not getting up. Oh my God. If the bus will start, only the seat will give to white man. Then only bus will start. But here, Rosa Parks not gave the seat to white man. So that's why bus never start, move. Other passenger grew impatient. That means that other passengers want to go very fastly, but the bus is not moving because of this reason. Why the bus is not moving? Because Rosa Parks didn't give this seat to white man. That's why the problem comes out. They muttered, they means here the other passengers are irritated. That means bus not move. They want to go urgently, but the bus is still there. Muttered curses at her. Curses at her mean curses at Rosa. Because Rosa is only responsible for the bus is not moving. Rosa neither spoke nor stayed. She sat still. Yes. She was thinking, why should I get up? I have paid the same amount of the ticket white passenger has paid. I already taken the ticket. The same amount what the white passengers also taken. I am also taken the same. Then why I want to stand? My ticket is not the cent cheaper than his, and I am more tired than he is. Actually, she was tired. We already know that she was tired after her hard work. She want to sit, but this white man came. That's why he want to stand, but he still sit there. The bus is not move. Other people are too much angry. Everybody looking straight to Rosa Park because Rosa Park has justice. I have paid the ticket. White man also paid the ticket. The amount is same. Then why did I stand? Okay. My ticket is not cent cheaper. Yes, every ticket is same. The white man ticket is good and black lady or black man's ticket is bad is not a situation. It is not a fair. It is not a good. I am not. I am more tired than he is. Okay, and he is neither old nor disabled. Yes, that man is the white man is very young. He can stand, no problem. But I am very old. That's why I am also tired. That's why I am sick. And he's neither okay. So why should I give up my seat? I never gave up. I never avoid the seat to white man. He asking for the seat because he is white. That cannot be right. That is not good according to Rosa Parks. This is a situation happened, Rosa Parks claimed he had paid the same ticket as white man paid, and moreover the white man is very young and tired, whereas I was old and I am tired too much, and my ticket is same like that of the white man ticket. There is no difference, so that is why I am not avoid the seat to white man. So that is the situation happened here. So a crucial discrimination we can see on the base of the color of the skin of the human being. That moment Mr. Rosa made a decision. What is Rosa made a decision? This rule is unfair. That law is not good. What is that? White man is give more preference, black man is not give preference. No equality. That is too much pain got from the minds of Rosa. And the rules ought to be fair. Yes, rules should be fair for everyone. Rules should be equal for everyone. There is no discrimination. White man can sit, black man can stand. That is not fair. Rules should be equal to everyone. Rule is unfair. Yes, this rule is unfair. Unfair means not good. It ought to go. It should be avoided. It ought to not be in a rule book. Yes, it is not good for in the book. This law is unfair. This law is not good according to Rosa Parks. What was the law? The white man is gave more preference, whereas black man didn't get more preference. Even though people are equal, is it? But there is a discrimination is going on. Inequalities are going on here. If people go on obeying such a bad rule, it will stay in the book forever. So someone should be something about it is some day. I think that day has arrived. So she rigid in his mind and said that this law is not good. This law is not provide equality. This is a complete discrimination. This law should be avoided from the book. So this is a time. This is a day. So he decided to do something. She decided to do something. Rosa Parks. Now Rosa did not get up. The driver got angry. The driver means bus driver. Because driver want to move the bus. Why the bus is not moved? Because Rosa Parks not give the seat to white man. If he let her sit and left white passengers are standing, he was breaking the law. He and his company could be punished for it. He got up from his seat. Get up and go to the back. He ordered. Who ordered? Maybe driver. But Rosa sat still. But Rosa is not moved from the seat. I told you, get up, he said. That means driver said. But Rosa did not move. She did not get up. The driver got off the bus and brought the police in. Lastly, its police will come. They arrested Rosa. Who they means police people arrested Rosa. Said she had broken the law. Why she was arrested? Because she broken the law and sent to her jail. Now Rosa into jail because she violated the rules and regulation of the country in America. At that time the rules are favored for white people. So that's why he was arrested, under arrest because of the violating the laws. That means what was the law here violate? That means he didn't give the seats to white man. Okay. So crucial discrimination we can see. The news of Rosa's arrest soon spread all over the town. The black people of Montgomery, we told that there's a place in Montgomery it happened. Montgomery decided to fight her to come out of the jail. So they decided, means Rosa supporters decided to fight against this inequality. They know, what's that? They know means here. They know means here these supporters of the Rosa. Supporters of the Rosas, what is that? They fight for her to come out from jail. They know they could not fight with the police. They decided to fight with the bus company instead. Yes. The supporters of Rosa didn't like to fight with the police. They decided to fight the bus company. So because of the bus is only favor for white people, no? That's why the supporters of the Rosa decided to fight against it. Bus company, where it is a place, Montgomery, right? Okay. They boycotted the bus. That means they never, black people have never come and enter into the bus. They never goes to that particular company bus. This means they stopped using them. No black passengers, they said, will use the city bus until Rosa is free. Yes. If the Rosa is free from the jail, then only we can enter into the bus. Otherwise, we are not enter into the bus. We boycott the company bus, especially city bus. Okay. Instead, they went to work in private car and shared it in the cost of taxi. Yes. Instead of bus, they use, the black people use car and taxis. So what happened? The Montgomery bus boycott went on this way for more than a year. Oh, right. More than a year, the bus strike is, this strike comes out. It lasted exactly 81 days. Oh my God. During the boycott, the bus company lost millions of dollars. Yes, bus companies lost too much money. This was because there was many more black bus users than white users. Without black passengers, bus ran almost empty. That means most of the workers at that time black people. The black people collection is too much for bus. But now black people not enter into the city bus. That's why their collection is less. So their company is very loss. Why? The black people now seek the help of car and taxi. Meanwhile, Rosa Parks was tried in court of law. The judge ordered her to pay a fine. He said she had broken the law of segregation, means separation. Rosa lawyers advised her not to pay the fine, and she took their advice. Then they went to the High Court and finally to this highest court, the American Supreme Court. That means Rosa lawyers say that don't want to give fine. The small court is sentenced to Rosa to pay a fine, but High Court, that means other supporters of, the advocates of Rosa said they don't want to pay a fine. So the case goes to upper court. Okay, that means Supreme Court, biggest court, topest court. The judge of the Supreme Court said that segregation means separation, was unlawful in public transport service. They said it was against the law of the country. So Rosa now got victory. That means the law is come. The law said that, Supreme Court said that the law is unfair. That means law is not good. Everybody have equal opportunity in the bus. There is no separation, segregation. That means everybody have equal right in the bus to sit and stand. Nobody is say that one is good, one is bad. So Rosa now win the game, right? They said it was against the law of court. Who? Supreme Court said it. So it was that Rosa Parks sat still and moved a million of minds. Yes, from the Rosa Parks she became the heroine. That means everybody liked her attitude, everybody liked her strong vision. So she now changed the rules of the law in the country. So everybody admired him, everybody liked him afterwards. She began the black American people fight for fairness and justice to all human beings. Yeah. From there, the other black people will get some kinds of courage against the unfair law. Okay. Americans call her mother of the black civil rights movements. Yes, because of that incident or after the incident, the Americans, everybody called her as what is that? Mother of black civil rights movements. The civil rights are the rights of the country citizen. Yes, we have also rights and duties. They are America also. The civil rights are the rights of the country citizen. We have rights in the country, because we are the citizens, so we have rights. So here, our Rosa Parks claimed very strongly about this unlawful things, and that's why Supreme Court have favored for her. Lastly, she was known as mother of the black civil rights, and the people are admired more, especially black people. She was now strongly fight against the injustice of the country. Many years before Rosa Parks sat still in that bus, something else had happened in another country. Yes, as a man called Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Yes, that's the same example happened in Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi means our Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi, sat still in train in South Korea. That has happened in South Korea, similar incident. He refused to get off in the train seat. Here is a train, Rosa Parks in the bus. That's a comparison. The white passengers throw him out. Yes, what happened? Gandhiji throw out by the white passengers because he refused to give the seat to white man. There are many other stories on this courage and of the courage other got from him, the fighter for the rights. Yeah, that's used for the courage. Then only we can sustain in the for justice. So this was the story. It was an incident happened in the life of Rosa Parks. So we want to know who was Rosa Parks. Rosa Parks was a black American woman, right? She got an incident in the bus. That was we have to said it. This is a chapter says about the strong discrimination, the man's segregation on the base of color. Here the rules are favor for white people that time. Now, not is not like that. It's everybody are equal. But at that time, everybody are not equal. The people are divided, segregate on the base of color. So against that one, Rosa Parks fought heavily for the injustice, unlawful things. Lastly, Rosa Parks got victory, and she later known as Mother of Civil Rights. The people still admired her. Still, Rosa Parks lived in the memory of the black people. So here is the story ending. See the pictures in the bus incident. Police officer came or driver came and asked her to give the seat to a white man. She refused. That's why she was arrested. Caught her under arrest and put into jail. After this boycott the bus, after these supporters boycott the bus, the place name we want to know that, or the place name is very important. What is in America? The place name is Montegrano. Yes. That is happened in December in 1955. Okay, that was history of Rosa Parks. She really Rosa Parks was heroine in the minds of black Americans. She challenged the law of that time. After that, she got justice because of her courage. So here recommended we have to never fearful if you do the justful things. So we must be fearless when we fought or fight for justice. So here Rosa Parks did a very good job, and it is enjoyed the freedom of all. Now their equality come into existence. The Supreme Court says about that law is good and former law is not good. So Rosa Parks won the game against the discrimination. There is a story says about that one. Okay, must be remember Rosa Parks, black lady, fought for injustice happened in America. That was long years back. Let's say year 1955, December. So that was the end of this story. I think we have to wind up the class. Okay. We will see you next class. Thank you very much. Take care.